Good day, guys. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to Superlines. Wow. Dito pala guys yung Diet Express at saka Superlines. Yes, Superlines Express. And the other is the Victory Liner. Nice place, Victory Liner. Sarap sumakay sa Victory Liner. Yes, Victory Liner. The best terminal I've seen. Sa kabila naman ay Solid North. Wow, dito pa lang Solid North. Solid North guys, sa kabila. Dami Solid North. Galing pabiyaheng is SM Transport Terminal. Wow, SM Transport. Wow, may apartel pa rito mura guys. Ito. Wow, dito sa New York. Raymond Transport spotted. Nice, Raymond Transport. Thank you for watching guys. Biyaheng La Union ang nakapila here in Partas Bus. Partas Bus guys. Partas Bus.